Hello everyone, welcome to Techie Leopard channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the screen resolution and display size in your Windows 10 computer. Now the first thing you need to do is right click on any empty space of your desktop and then click on display settings. Now from here scroll down and here you can see display resolution. Now from here all you need to do is click on this arrow, and then from here you will be able to change the display resolution. Now as you can see here, my monitor is a 1080p monitor, that is why I cannot go above 1080p. But if you have a monitor that is 1440p or 4K, then you can select those resolutions as well. You can also select lower resolutions, but there is no point of doing that. Now once you are done selecting the resolution or changing the resolution, the next thing you can do is change the scale or the size of the text and applications. Now as you can see here under scale and layout, if I click here, mine is selected to 150%, and if I select 125% from here, you can see everything just got smaller, and if I go back again and select 150%, everything got bigger. Now you can also set custom size. For that you have to click on advanced scaling settings, and then from here you can type in like 135% and then click on apply, and that way you will set a custom scaling on your computer. And after that all you have to do is just sign out of your computer and then sign back in again to apply those changes. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.